Should you be spending your precious Walt Disney World time bowling?
We're eating, drinking, and smashing pins at Splitsville in Disney Springs.
I can't wait to wear strangers' shoes.
I'm just gonna eat. Incredibly backlit Sage Starkey, the bowling champion of Chicago.
Yeah, I always bowl a perfect 82.
Whoa!
Better than I could ever hope for.
Splitsville is located in Disney Springs. It is a bowling/restaurant establishment. Very fun, honestly. I've been here before and had an absolute blast. Breedlove and I have actually come. But it's just super fun to actually bowl. It's just the kind of thing that's like, should you do it during your Disney World trip? We're gonna find out.
I can't bowl.
You're gonna bowl today.
I'm gonna try to bowl.
That's
There's a
acceptable.
difference.
I'll allow it. Hey!
Hi.
You excited to bowl?
Do you remember what happened last time we bowled here? I won.
Oh! So at Splitsville, they do have walk-in bowling most days of the week. You can basically come in anytime. I have seen that there has been a wait before. So if you know you want to bowl at Splitsville, I recommend arriving a little earlier than you would want to, just to make sure there's not a wait. And then you can come back when you do want to bowl, or go ahead and put your name on the list if you need to wait. We are next in line under the priority bowlers. All right, so once you're all checked in, they will come and get you and take you to your bowling lane. And the bowling lanes all do have tables where you can eat as well. So we have arrived at lane 10. So there is a full bar here with a number of specialty drinks, as well as a full menu. And in the past, I thought that the food is surprisingly good. So we'll have to see how it stands up today.
Does bowling go well with sushi? That's the experiment I would like to hear about.
Okay, that's what we're going to be studying today. If bowling matches with sushi.
Fish.
Raw
And
fish.
the bowling.
And bowling.
Well, there's Velcro. That's always welcome. Oh, these are nice. Look at they go with my outfit.
Sage is up first.
Okay.
The bowling king of Chicago. The bowling king of Chicago.
That's
In the
never
flesh.
happened in the history of ever.
Quincy, what's happening?
I was filming content. I didn't get my bowling shoes on. And it's my turn.
Oh my gosh, hurry up. There's a time limit, I think.
Oh no.
Yeah, isn't there?
An hour and 15 minutes.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Does it fit?
No, this one's gonna be too small for me.
Okay. Yeah? Is that
I've selected.
Cinderella? You found your slipper?
Baby.
Yes, get it. Oh my gosh. Oh! Look at that. Emma, are you a traditionally very good bowler?
No, the last time I did this, I broke my thumbnail in half.
That literally just happened to Quincy.
Yeah, it's pretty dangerous out there for you guys with acrylics.
Okay.
PSA.
Oh my goodness.
Are you ready?
Here we go.
Let's go.
Yes, did I do it? I got it.
For drinks, we went ahead and grabbed the bamboo plate. This is one of a few options. This includes the Mi Casa Margarita, the Tiki Punch, and the Pina Colada. Now what's really cool about this is that the Pina Colada is actually made with Dole pineapple. So yes, there's Dole Whip vibes to this thing. Dole pineapple, Coco Lopez, Rum Haven coconut, and Mardi Plata rum, blended and topped with a splash of plantation double-aged dark rum. We've got here the Tiki Punch, which is Appleton Estate rum, Bacardi Dragonberry, 151 rum, and fruit juices. And then finally, the Mi Casa Margarita is Dobel Diamante, house sour, lime, and orange. All right, so we got 2 sushi rolls and a pizza to share, which should be plenty for 4 people. There are very, very few vegan options on the menu, but there is this veggie roll, which you can get vegan. I believe you can get it without the ponzu sauce. So cucumber, avocado, carrots, asparagus, spring mix, grape tomatoes, and yellow peppers rolled in sushi rice and topped with sesame seeds. And you can't get this with ponzu sauce if you're just vegetarian. Our other sushi roll, we asked for the flashiest and most exciting. This is the Crouching Dragon Roll. Tempura shrimp, asparagus, and avocado topped with spicy crab mix and drizzled with eel sauce, spicy mayo, and sriracha. And then our pizza, we went with the Killer Bee. This is mozzarella, pepperoni, mushroom, and torn basil drizzled with Mike's Hot Honey. That sounds good, right? Yeah, and that's our food spread. Killer Bee. Oh, it's so good. Quality pizza. It's my favorite kind. which is thin crust here but puffy bones. It's a regular pizza with mushrooms and basil. I wish there was a little more torn basil, but drizzled in hot honey that adds a sweet, savory element that is killer. I've been shocked by the quality of food here. This is no different.
Okay, I prepared my soy sauce and wasabi mixture here, and now I'm dipping the roll. Now, there is not one single vegan option on the menu. That was also the case 2 years ago when I came here. I think it's time for them to get with the times.
I think so too.
And offer a plant-based option on the menu.
They have 2 you can modify, but that's it, and one is just
Yeah.
edamame.
So I've had these before. They're veggie rolls. It's rice, it's veggies, and that's it. It's good. If you're here bowling, because bowling is fun, and you're vegan, absolutely give these a try. It's something to eat. You know exactly what you're gonna get. You're not gonna have a nightmare experience, but I would love to have something really fun and delicious that's specifically made for plant-based eaters.
You deserve it.
Yeah! I do really enjoy these, but if you're here with your friends and you're left like feeling not satisfied and you're plant-based, like literally next door, City Works has my favorite burger in all of plant-based burger in all of Walt Disney World. They have a garlic aioli that is addictive. You will lose your mind over it.
So this is the Crouching Dragon.
Where's the hidden tiger?
Crouching Dragon was my nickname in college. I love tempura, and I love like crab salad, especially spicy crab salad. It has like a nice fun, like the plating is fun. It's got a nice drizzle on it. I also love wasabi, so I'm gonna put a little bit of wasabi in here as well. I'm going to avoid the soy sauce right away because I just want to try the sushi roll as a whole. Oh gosh, here we go. Dip it in that little drizzle. It's really good. It's not too spicy. There's a slight kick to it. So when it says a spicy crab salad, it's really not that bad. But the textures go really well together. And even the wasabi. Wasabi isn't that strong. I love a good wasabi. I love a wasabi that makes me like take a second breath. Yeah, and overall the tempura is crunchy. It's really nice, really nice flavors. For, again, a bowling place, I am shocked at how nice this sushi is.
I would just eat dinner here.
Yeah. Yeah, but however...
I have before, and he made fun of me.
Yeah, so this is part of the bamboo flight, which is the tiki punch, the mi casa margarita, and the
Pina colada.
Pina colada. She's got the pina colada. I got the mi casa margarita. You ready?
Yep.
Cheers.
They were very generous with mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's not a half bad pina colada. There is Dole pineapple in this, so I kind of expected a little bit of a Dole Whip flavor.
Cool.
But it's still heavy on the coconut pina colada traditional flavor. I would not go out of your way to get this if you're wanting like a Dole pineapple drink. There's other places that you can get a Dole Whip drink that are better than this.
Yeah, and I would say the opposite. This is a lot of sweet and sour mix, and I mean a lot. It's extremely tart, and I guess when you're getting a flight, the thing you want is to taste the different flavors. So I guess the mission accomplished because they're very different flavors.
Finishing off the flight review with the Tiki Punch. It's basically rum, Bacardi Dragonberry, and fruit juices. Rum drinker's dream. I can seriously taste the rum. It's super fruity. It is not overly sweet. It's got some kick to it. This is a much stronger drink than I was expecting. And I taste a little bit of the Dragonberry, but it's not overly like acidic or fruity. I think if you like tiki drinks, the Tiki Punch is aptly named. If you do want to check in just to eat, you can check in here with the Dine Desk. Bowling, here at the bowl. Roll in, rock on.
Here?
No, we already rolled in and rocked on. We're rolling out and rocking off. We didn't finish in time, but Sage did win. For 3 of us, the meat eaters here in this party, we absolutely loved the food at Splitsville.
Surprisingly
Would
Surprisingly awesome.
come have dinner here without bowling, and the fact that it's bowling food, unbelievable.
Amazing.
Drinks, meh. And plant-based, Superman.
Superman.
Yeah, I've never said this, but I would say don't eat here if
Yeah.
you're plant-based, because honestly, unless you're cool with, you need something and you're cool with just a veggie roll, but literally right this way, there's a wonderful restaurant called City Works, and you can go there and get my favorite plant-based burger on Disney World property.
They're also super tight on time. So make sure that if you want a bowl and you want to complete the game, you are watching that little number go down.
Yeah,
'cause
it is hard to eat and bowl at the same
I
time.
would
Yeah.
potentially recommend choosing to bowl and then eat, or vice versa, just so that way you can enjoy both and not feel rushed.
Yeah.
Larger groups do get more time. The time scales based on your group size, but it's still a quick speed.
For 3 to 4 people, that was the number that we had. 3 to 4 people is about an hour and 15 minutes.
Yep.
That's what we had.
Not enough time to bowl and eat.
And eat.
Yeah.
And take
And
photos
take thousands of
everything.
pictures of the food.
And enjoy each other's company.
Yeah.
If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe.
Now go watch Bree Love and I review Trattoria El Forno at the Boardwalk. See you there.
Fancy.
Bye.